going to talk about the Pinocchio paradox. Pinocchio was a fictional character. He was made by a artist named Geppetto. But what happened if Pinocchio say, my nose is about to grow? Because he was lying, and because he was lying, his nose should have been grown, but it did not, because he was telling a truth. But why? Because it did not even happen. That creates a paradox. Since he was lying, his nose would have been grown, but his nose would not be growing at the same time. That could create a paradox. Yes, that would create a paradox. This is I'm gonna small Pinocchio. So Pinocchio. And what if? And this is a part 2 of theories. So I'm going to talk about a paradox. See? If you went in time and see your grandparents, if you check, what happens if you happen to be to chop your grandfather? Chop, chop, you would have never been, your dad would never, and he's still young, and you do chop him, and your father would never be born, and so was you. And why are you in the first place? Why are you even there in the first place? Comment, what do you think about this paradox? So that's happened. Chop your father, your grandfather. You will never be exist. You will never be exist. You never gonna exist. Yes. You're just gonna leave some evidence. And every one of you, even your siblings will be deleted. Oh, your siblings will never be deleted. It will just be you if you're adult. And since that happened, your mother and your grandparents at that time will change time and say, and if one of you remembers